Hey guys, welcome back to the S5 Guy, it's Dirk. Now check it out, I have another unboxing video for you guys today, and I don't normally do these inside of my house. I normally do them in the garage, I like to keep the car stuff in there. But I'll show you why this one's happening inside the house.
One of my deepest secrets, you hear me?
Alright, so as you guys may have seen when I picked the box up from outside, this thing showed up in terrible disarray. It's got all holes in it. The edges are popping out. And when I went to set it down on the carpet in the house, these parts just fell out like this. Yeah, it's a little foreshadowing to what it might be, but we're going to do the unboxing right here in the living room. Alright, so let's stop messing around and get this thing open. More open. More open. It's already open. Let's be honest, but big reveal. Oh yeah. All right. Hey, not too bad, huh? So, you guys can probably already see from what I told you, these two parts had fallen out. I guess in shipping, but besides those two parts, it does look like there is a bag of other complete parts that have not fallen out, are still well bagged. This bubble wrap was still in good condition, and let's see. Yeah, I've got no bent pins or anything. I do have one little tiny dent here, but it's not bending any of the fins or anything like that. So let me get you guys a closer look at this thing. Hold on a second. Alright guys, so what we're looking at here is the Luft-Technick front mount intercooler from ECS Tuning. Now, the package was in terrible disarray, so I'm uncertain if all the parts are here. But what I do see right off the bat is two mounting holes and two brackets. So I can only assume that everything is here, especially since the bolt package and clamp package is still nicely sealed. So there she is. It was a pretty simple unboxing. I thought it would be wrapped a little better, but I'm not going to complain about that since, as you can see, the intercooler does not appear to be damaged at all. This is significantly bigger than the stock intercooler. Namely, here the width, the stock one is 3 inches, this one is 3.5 inches. So you get bigger size already right there. But then also the obvious and more visible is the height. As you can see, the stock intercooler's right about here, and this one's quite a bit larger, so increased surface area for cooling, and can't wait to get that bad boy installed. It's gonna be sweet. Alright guys, so a pretty short unboxing video this time. Wasn't a whole lot to that, but still an exciting one because I was waiting for the front mount intercooler to also install the RS grill from the first unboxing video. If you haven't seen that one, go ahead and take a look at that one. So Now that they're both here, I can get the front bumper off and get that install video for both of those parts going. If you like what you saw, man, smash the like button. If you want to see more or see how this car unfolds, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.
One of my deepest secrets, you hear me?